Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what the Crusades looked like. Breathe, picture medieval landscapes, and follow my narration as we examine soldiers, sieges, and daily life across different regions. I will describe armor, camps, banners, city streets, markets, and the sounds that would have filled them. Imagine long marches, dusty roads, fortified walls, and the varied clothing of knights, pilgrims, and civilians to get a vivid sense of that era. We'll explore who fought, how armies were organized, and what they carried on campaign. Knights, infantry, archers, and support crews each had roles and gear. Logistics mattered. Supply wagons, foraging, and seasonal campaigning shaped strategy. Sieges used towers, ladders, and early artillery like trebuchets to breach walls. Naval operations moved troops across seas, while diplomacy and local alliances often influenced outcomes more than sheer military force alone. Civilians experienced the Crusades through taxes, recruitment, and disrupted trade. Markets fluctuated, artisans adapted, and refugees reshaped towns. Religious rituals, sermons, and propaganda framed motivations and identities on both sides. Daily life still included farming cycles, local fairs, and household crafts despite conflict. Disease and famine could follow campaigns, while cultural exchange brought new foods,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.